How to find hidden photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. On this page, scroll down and go to the Utilities section at the end. Then, tap on Hidden. Note that you have to use Face ID or enter your passcode to view this album. Once you access the album, you can find all of your hidden photos over there. Following these steps, you can easily find hidden photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.